how to fix BlueStacks 5 not launching. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So I have a few solutions for you guys. So the first solution is to update your Roblox just like this one. So sometimes that the OS of your computer is not compatible with the BlueStacks 5 that you have before, and then just click on here to open up the task manager, and then make sure that it is not running anymore. So if you see BlueStacks, just end task. So those are the two solutions that I have provided for you. And in this second solution, if you see any BlueStacks logo in the task manager, just end task it. So you can update your BlueStacks here for the first solution. So as you can see, incompatible Windows settings. So just update your BlueStacks and that will do the job. And also the other solution is for you to update your drivers. So for me, I have my AMD chip or my computer is AMD, so I will go to AMD. Now the last solution is go to your firewall. Just type in firewall and look for BlueStacks here, and make sure that the BlueStacks is allowed for connection. So in this way, it is not blocked by your firewall of your computer, so that it would run smoothly, because some apps are actually blocked by this firewall and it is not allowed to run. So those are the solutions that I have for you guys. I hope you can launch your BlueStacks, and thank you for watching.